Hello everyone, welcome back to Zara Ki Dunya. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to share how to make sweet chili potatoes at home. If you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. To begin with this, I've taken two medium-sized potatoes cut into pieces like this, like we get the French fries, and I have kept them aside for 5 minutes. Now it's time to give them a boil. So I've taken 2 glasses of water and I'm adding 4 tablespoons salt in it. Add the potatoes into the water and let it boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. This is done to get the starch out of the potatoes. And now I have drained the excess water and I'm keeping them aside for about 5 to 10 minutes, and once they are on the room temperature, I'm adding 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon rice flour and 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. This is a dry batter prepared for our potatoes. Mix all of these ingredients and keep it aside for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to prepare the wet batter. To prepare wet batter, I have taken 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, next I am going to take a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, that is around 4 tablespoons. Next I am going to take 1/4 cup of rice flour, which is again 4 tablespoons. I'm adding salt as per taste. Add water to it to make a wet batter. Now it's time to add the potatoes. Mix them really well and keep it aside for 2 to 3 minutes before frying them. Now let's begin frying. We will be doing double fry, so I will be frying the first batch until they are light brown, and then fry them again until they are a bit dark brown in color. Now add some sesame seeds and salt them. We will be using this in the later stage. Next I'm going to take 2 tablespoons oil in a pan, 1 tablespoon crushed garlic, salt this really well. And next I'm going to take 2 sliced green chilies and sauteed sesame seeds. Sort the ingredients. Next I'm going to take 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped capsicum. Sort the ingredients until the raw smell is gone. Add 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, sort the vegetables again. Now I'm adding salt as per taste, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon sugar. Because this is sweet chili potatoes, we need sugar or honey in this. Add 1 tablespoon soya sauce. 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. Sort all of these sauces well in the ingredients that we have added already. Mix them really well and sort them for about 5 to 6 minutes. Let the vegetables cook on low to medium flame. Please do not keep it on high flame. Now it's time to add some water and cook the vegetables. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and it's time to add slurry to it. I've prepared using 2 tablespoon cornstarch and 4 tablespoon water. You can see the sauces have got a great glossy finish, and now it's time to add a fried potatoes to the mixture. Mix the fried potatoes along with the sauce that we have prepared, and here is our recipe ready to be served. Do give it a big thumbs up if you like this recipe, and let me know how it went with you guys in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Bye bye.